So, Alex, what I want to show you some adjustments we made. You see here the the iron that we put, the bar, just to put extra support so it don't break. Here we didn't do it yet, but in the other one we made a bar here to put extra support. These bars, they need to be stronger iron. This is not good quality. And here you see an extra bar who keeps it tight and gripped, so in the mines when it moves it will not damage. So in the future, if we have an order, that we can do this kind of work.